making this project, we would require bolt Wi-Fi module, a breadboard, LED, buzzer, a 330 ohms resistor with the following color code. As you can see that it has the color coding of orange, brown and gold, and an LM35 temperature sensor. Along with this, we would also require these jumper wires for making the connections. So let's first connect this buzzer. It's having a longer leg, that is the positive terminal, and a shorter leg, that is the negative terminal. So the positive leg is to be connected with pin 1 and the shorter leg will connect it with the breadboard. Followed by this, we will connect an LED. This LED is having a shorter leg, that is the negative terminal, and a longer leg, that is the positive terminal. So we have to make sure that while connecting the negative terminal, it must be connected to the same pin as that of the buzzer, and the longer terminal will be connected to pin number 4 through a 330 ohms resistor. Now it's time to connect the LM35 temperature sensor, whose leftmost pin is to be connected to the plus 5 volts VCC supply. The middle pin is to be connected with the analog input of the bolt Wi-Fi modules, and the rightmost pin is to be connected to the ground. You can see clearly that the leftmost pin of the LM35 temperature sensor is connected to the 5 volts supply from the bolt Wi-Fi module via a red jumper wire. The middle pin of the LM35 sensor is connected to the analog input of the bolt module via a brown jumper wire. The rightmost pin of the LM35 sensor is connected to the ground of the bolt module via a black jumper wire, and while doing so, we have to make sure that all these connections of the LED and the buzzer and the LM35 sensor having the common ground must be connected to the black jumper wire. For testing your project, you have to light up the matchstick and bring it quite close to the LM35 sensor, while make sure that the matchstick is not too close so that the flame touches the sensor, because it might damage your electronic component. Let's understand this with the help of a Python code that I have implemented. Here you have to import the configure file, the bolt object, and the time and the JSON, followed by which you have to set the threshold temperature. Now the get temperature function is used to calculate the temperature in degrees Celsius after the analog value is being read by the bolt Wi-Fi module. Followed by this, I have used a while loop which will run infinitely long duration in order to print the temperature values, and this conditional statement is used to check whether the temperature has crossed the threshold or not. The temperature is beyond the threshold value, then the analog write function is used to turn on the LED with an intensity of 230, and the same analog write function is used to turn on the buzzer with the same intensity of 230.